Hello, it's Jason Carlson. I'm back with another lock picking video. This is going to be a challenge lock sent to me by Thumper. And I think this is no punk lock. So it is a quick set, mummified key, and let's see what we can do to get into this. It's a fun little lock. And the dogs, of course, are going to play whilst I shoot the video. Alright, here we go. Go to the back. A little movement. 4, 3, 2, 1. Little counter there. Okay. Let's go back again. There we go. Okay, that was 2, 1, 2 again, 3, 4. 5's got to go up a little bit. Come on, baby. Okay. This lock's going to give me a little bit of a challenge. Here we go. Nice false set. It's picked. Awesome feedback. Let me turn it a little bit. Wrist gets kind of tired. Thumper is a fantastic lock picker. I can't wait to see what kind of pins he's got in here. Can't believe this thing is putting up such a fight. It's because the camera's on. Lost the false set. Let's try it the other way. False set back. Okay, that's picked. Looking for feedback. Any feedback? Nice lock, Thumper. There it is. It was 3 again. Now to see what kind of goods there are in here. Out. And let's go with the sparkly blue tray today. And let's see. Definitely open. I am not going to unmummify the key. Whoa, magnetic screwdriver, trying to fling things across the room. I'm knocking stuff all over today. And the shim. Learned the hard way, you shim everything. A follower. There we go. All right. All 5 populated. Looking good. A little bit of modification, maybe some flattening on the top. All right, let's see what we got. Number 1. We got a bomb pin. 2, bomb pin. 3, serrated bomb pin. No, wait a minute. That was not 3. That was 4. 3. There we go. 3 is this little teeny tiny serrated bullet. Very cool. And 4 is a multi-serrated pin, and there's no mods to the core. All right, let's see what we got going on up on top. Time to be careful, make sure we get it coming out the right way. Double spool in one. And a little copper spring. A very nicely serrated pin in 2. That's beautiful. I just turned it, I did. And another copper spring. Move over to the different tweezers. Where are you? And that is one cool looking pin in number 3. Got a round ball on the bottom and a, well, we'll get a close up here in a minute. 4 is, looks like a it's another spool, almost looks like a barrel hourglass. And number 5 is a 2-piece pin. That is freaking awesome, man. Let's get the spring out. There it is. And it's a little steel spring. And looking down inside, I see no mods to the Bible. All right, let's check out these awesome pins by Thumper. And let's get a pointy stick. Key pin number 1 is this bullet bomb pin. Number 2 is the same. Number 3 is this beautifully serrated little key pin. 4 is another light serration on top, a little deeper on the bottom. 5 has 1, 2, 3 serrations in it. Driver pin number 1 is this double spool with a reduced diameter center. It almost looked like a floating pin. 2 is this serrated beauty. That is outstanding. Another really nice double spool with a rounded bottom on it. This one's got a very cool hourglass, almost a serrated spool. And then this 2-pin design is just outstanding. It's got serrations on the bottom of it and serrations on the sleeve, and that's just wonderful, man. You do unbelievably good work, my friend. And then in the springs on the top, 1, 2, 3, and 4 are all copper, and number 5 is a steel spring. That, my friends, is Thumper's No Punk Lock. This is No Punk Lock. Thanks so much, Thumper, for sending this over to me. Spectacular fun time to pick, and great challenge. I'm going to link Thumper's channel in the links below. Sorry, I can't think this morning. And go over and check him out. Great guy, spectacular human being, very honest. Great to watch him work. Remember to keep it real, keep it legal, and go through the lock.